If you love the look of a wooden wall panel but you want something custom, check this out. I'm even going to add lighting for a custom look. Simply start by cutting the panels to size and check them for a perfect fit. Sand the panels smooth to prepare them for paint. Cut wood strips for your back frame and lay them out to fit your. Then cut the wood slats to size and lay them out to your design. Prime and paint your back panels in the color of your choice. Stain your wood slats to your desired finish and apply urethane and let them dry. Now you're ready to assemble the panels. Simply glue your wood strips to the back panels and nail them in place. Don't forget to use a spacer to keep a consistent distance between the boards. See, now isn't this easy? Now flip your panels upright and attach the back. Now you're ready to attach the panels to the wall. Find your studs, measure the height, set the brackets to level, mark your locations, and install the fasteners. Hanging your panel is as easy as hanging a picture. Don't forget to check it for level. It's just that simple. Ready for the next step? Now let's add the lighting. Simply cut a lighting box into the panel and then tighten the box into the panel. Now you're ready to mount the lights. Mount the light fixture backing plate to the lighting box and then check it for level. Then attach the power feeds and connect the fixture to the bracket. Then tighten the bracket and adjust it with a level. Okay, are you ready for the most satisfying part? Turn on your power and flip the switch. Okay, what do you think? Now you're ready to do this in your home. Want more information? Just comment panel and I'll send it to you.